Okay.
Or today, as we said, not so important. But this is what we do. We
This
design
is made a whole
science.
bunch already back there, so it looks like ours.
Very often we cook cavatelli or with fish. Very famous are the ones that we make with mussels, cavatelli con le cozze. Or during the winter especially, we prepare with legumes. So if you have to cook with lentils, we used to make smaller cavatelli because they match better with
Right.
legumes. This is why we have different sauces.
Right, when you plant the legumes, you have to fix the soil for your crops, all fasting on that.
Hello, this is Chef Walter Potenza. I am at Pezza di Greco in Puglia at Masseria Salamina. Just a couple of seconds of your time. I want you to speak to Chiara. Chiara, what are you doing tonight?
So we are doing something very traditional, Apulian food. These are our orecchiette, made with semolina flour.
That is the classic of the region, right?
Yes, it is.
And the green that are you using with that, it's called rape?
Yes, tonight we will do different kinds of sauce.
Okay.
And of course, orecchiette which made the rape of our garden.
And who are these lovely folks here? Gentlemen, sir, you're doing
Hi.
a great job. How are you?
Thank you. Good. How are you?
Nice work. Hello, ma'am.
Hello, how are you?
Very well. Two lovely Hawaiian we have here at Salamina, where cooking classes go on all day, as well as an outstanding hospitality from wine to extra virgin olive oil. Thank you, Chiara. We'll
Thank
share
you
with you
very
next
much.
time. Bye-bye.
Thank you.